Tuttle Creek Lake is just east of Manhattan, and it's one of the largest reservoirs in Kansas, and it actually serves 40% of the state's population in terms of providing flood control water supply. So that would include the cities of Manhattan and Lawrence and Topeka and Kansas City. Dredging is simply the underwater excavation of sediment. And water injection dredging is a specific type where sediment is excavated by high volume, low pressure jets.
We need dredging to help remove some of the sediment that has infilled this lake so that we can increase our water storage capacity and be ready for droughts while also still being ready for floods that come, which is the primary purpose of having that dam there, to prevent floods from occurring. But we need both, and for the lake to function as it needs to, we have to remove that sediment that's been filled in for the last 50 years.
This is a huge collaborative effort. There are over 12 different labs and research centers that are involved. On the state side, we have obviously the University of Kansas, the Kansas Geological Survey, Biological Survey, and Department of Engineering. Kansas State University, the Department of Biology and Engineering, and then the Kansas Water Office. And then there are other national and international universities that are involved as well.
To keep our lakes functioning in this capacity, we have to dredge and we have to find ways to remove this sediment. If we don't, then that means that our lakes will fill in and they won't have any water storage and they can't really be used for drinking water. They can only protect against minor flooding at best, and they won't serve as a water storage space when we need this water in drought. So we have to do something. We're one of the states leading this charge. Every reservoir will fill in, but Kansas is leading the way on that and trying to find ways to get our water storage back so that our lakes can function as they're designed to function.